Clyde Lee Dennis here, and today in our 7 Good Minutes extra segment, our thought for today is, self-care is more than a routine. It's a mindset shift that prioritizes your well-being, restores your energy, and unlocks a happier, more fulfilled you. So often we reduce self-care to surface-level habits, taking a bubble bath, getting a massage, or unplugging for a few hours. While those things can help, true self-care runs much deeper. It begins with the decision to treat your well-being as non-negotiable. At its core, self-care is a mindset. It says, I matter. My peace matters. My energy, joy, and health are worth protecting. When you live from that place, your choices change. You begin to say no to what drains you and yes to what feeds your soul. And it's not selfish. In fact, it's the opposite. You can't pour into others if your own cup is empty. When you give yourself the space to rest, reset, and reflect, you show up in the world as your best, most grounded self. Self-care restores your energy, not just physically, but mentally and emotionally. It gives you the stamina to pursue your goals, the clarity to make wise decisions, and the resilience to bounce back when life gets heavy. Here's a question to reflect on today. What's one small, meaningful way you can show your self-care today? Not out of obligation, but out of love. Today's positive affirmation is, I honor my well-being and choose self-care as a powerful act of self-respect and renewal. Remember, the most fulfilled version of you isn't found in burnout or overachievement. It's found in balance, intention, and gentle self-respect. Until next time, I'm Clyde Lee Dennis, and this has been 7 Good Minutes Extra.